Hi everybody, thanks for watching. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and a review of this light up beanbag toss game. It's made by Eastpoint. They make a lot of outdoor games. It says play day or night because it has light up beanbags. As of June 2018, you can pick this up at a big box store for around $25. You can probably do a little bit better online, but $20 to $30, around $25 is right in line. And let's take a look and see what's inside of it. I'll put the camera on a tripod and enjoy the banjo music as we open this up fast. First thing you do is you'll notice you come with two folding compact units. I'm just going to focus on one of them to show you what it's like. Inside, kind of clever, it has a couple legs down below, short legs, and then up high there are longer legs. And I think those are to support it. Down below we have a couple cages which hold the bean bags. Two of each color, two green, two blue. Okay, I had to stop and go to the directions. I almost had this right. This thing does come back, but when you flip it over, the two gates that hold in the bean bags flip over here and then it clips onto that. Okay, so now a little more angle on it. And these two pieces here, this is the top connector piece with a built-in score, that little thing that slides, and the bottom connector piece. Now the directions say they just snap on. So I'm going to try to just snap them on. Let's see. Okay, actually got it on. Try the same thing on the top. So a little kid probably is not going to put this together. This is an adult, just for the strength. There we go. A fair amount of force to put that together. And now, right now, it's just an average game of beanbag toss, or a lot of people call it cornhole. Throw them in. The selling point on this is you can play it day or night. So there's a little Velcro enclosure here, snap-on here, that will get you to a little light. We have to activate these little light packs in here, and they are turned on just by the end of it. I couldn't do it with just my fingernails, so I got a little kitchen fork, flip it over, and that is your LED. This is a bright blue LED. It goes in a blue bag. I'm assuming that the green ones, or the ones the green bags are green. Looks pretty nice. It's light up, so that takes care of that piece. The ring itself, so you can see it at night, is light up, but they have isolators on the battery so they don't run out of battery juice at the stores. To activate those, you got to pull this out. There's an on-off switch there to turn it on and off, but the first time you have to pry this out. Come on. Pull that up, and then the button batteries are on top here, but there should be an isolator. There it is. Pull that up, and now that frees the connectors, and when you turn it on, there it is. So we'll do that for all four, and we'll slide this back into place. Okay, there we go. Not overly bright, but at night you should be able to see them. Let me turn off the light quick. So pretty good target, pretty good flying colored discs. The green show up to me a little bit better than the blue, but you should be able to distinguish the two. Price-wise, about $25 again. The only issue I would see would be make sure you have a mosquito-free yard to play this in. We're going to try this out tonight, but right now it looks pretty fun. It looks portable. I think these clips, the top and bottom clips that were so hard to get on, I think those will be a little more flexible with time. The more you put them on and off, the more or less rigid they'll be, and you can just kind of wiggle them on quicker, and maybe a kid could actually do it someday. But they fold up nice and compact. The battery shut off. Battery life, that's to be ascertained. I'm not sure about that, but it takes 3 per, so you got 3, 6, 9, 12, 24, plus another 4 times 3, 36 button batteries. So that can be an investment, but you only have summer once a year, and it's kind of fun to get out and enjoy it. So I like these. I think the kids and I are going to have fun tonight, and that's the quick construction and assembly video. And if I get a chance to play tonight, I'll try to take some film, but we'll see how well it shows up at night. Anyway, happy beanbag toss game, everybody. Thanks for watching.